the 30th term will be minus 46. If you watch here, you find out that this thing is reducing from 12 to 10, from 10 to 8. It will keep reducing until it becomes minus 46 at the 30th term. Now, the next one there is find the 37th term of 4, 3 whole number 1 over 2, 3, 2 whole number 1 over 2. A is equal to 4, of course. I'm solving now. My first term is 4, which is A. Now, common difference is D2 minus D1. I'm still using 2 terms to make sure I'm dealing with AP. Okay, now that is when you are not told that it is AP that you're dealing with. If you watch it, there's nothing like AP in the question. So now here we have second term is 3.5 minus 4. Now, of course, 3.5 minus 4 is minus half. But using the normal procedure, we convert this to improper fraction. 2 times 3 is 6 plus 1 is 7. That means we have 7 over 2 minus 4. Here, the LCM, we now find the, since this is fraction, we have minus LCM of 2. Of course, 4 is empty with 4 over 1. So LCM of 2 and 1 is 2. 2 into 2 is 1. 1 times 7 is 7. Well, 1 divided 2 is 2. 2 times 4. Sorry, 2 into 2 is 1. 1 times 7 is 7. 1 into 2, 1 divided 2 is 2. 2 times 4 is 8. 7 minus 8 is equal to minus 1. So we still have over 2, the LCM. The same thing goes here. This one converted to improper fraction will give us 7 over 2. 3 minus 7 over 2 is 6. This is LCM of 2 and 3 is empty with 3 over 1. LCM of 1 and 2 is equal to 2. So 1 divided 2 give me 2. 2 times 3 is 6. 2 divided 2 will give me 1. 1 times 7 is 7. 6 minus 7 is equal to minus 1. So divided by that same LCM, that which is 2. That means since I have minus 1 over 2 minus 1 over 2 on both sides, that means the difference is common. Therefore, hence we have common difference. Now we have this other part is T37. Now, which is what we are looking for. Say find the 37th term. Okay, T37 is A plus 36. Now 36 is 1 less than 37. Then we have our D. Our D, of course, is equal to minus 1 over 2. Now, if you watch here, I cancel this 2. 2 cancel itself is 1. 2 cancel 36 will give me 18. Okay, now equals to 18 times minus 1 will give me minus 18. So 4 minus 18 will give me minus 14. Now, if you watch here, you find out that this is reducing by half. So it will keep reducing to the point that at the 37th term, it will be minus 14. Okay. Now, the next question here is question number 4, where we have the first term, the first and 55th terms of an AP are 17 and 98, respectively. Find the common difference. Now, in some questions of AP, we get to be confused which one is linked to simultaneous equation and which one is not linked. Now, this tutorial, I brought the questions session by session. At this very first session, there's nothing like a there's something like simultaneous equation. Now, this question looks like this, almost how simultaneous equation AP looks like. But the difference is that this one says first term, but the one that leads to simultaneous equation is the one that has other terms other than first term. Okay, so if it is not first term, we are given the number, that means it's going to lead us to simultaneous equation. But since it is first term, this is the 5 will help us. We now work with this first term to give us the common difference value. Okay, since the 55th term was also given, which is as 98. Now, in other words, A, the first term here, it said first and 55th terms of an AP are 17. That means since there's respectively, first go for first, second go for second. So we have first term there is 17, second term is 90. The 55th term is equal to 98. But before I introduce the 98, the formula for 55th term is equal to A plus 54D. Now 54 is 1 less than 55. So just take note. I have 55th term as given in the question is 98. And I have equals to A is equal to 17 plus 54D. Now, collecting all times, I have my 98. 17 crossing equality sign becomes minus 17 equals to 54D. Now, my 98 minus 17 is equals to 81. Then 81 equals to 54D. Now at this point, if I want to have D, because I want to have D, I now divide both sides by 54, which is the coefficient of D. So cancelling out, D will be left alone. So this over this will give me one whole number 1 over 2. Okay. All right. This is something with a 1 remainder 27 over 57 over 54. 27, that 27 into itself is 1. 27 into 54 will give me 2. Okay, that's how I got one whole number 1 over 2. Now that's the common difference, which is what we're looking for. Find the common difference. All right, now the first and the last term of an AP are 5 and 177 respectively. If the seventh term is 29, find the number of terms in the AP. Now in this question, we are expected to find the number of terms. Record that we were given first term, and we were also given last term. Last term is, the first term is 5, the last term is 117. Now if seventh term, now if you watch here, find out that last term we don't know the term in particular that we are dealing with. We just know that it is the last, but we don't know whether it is the 20th, whether the number stop at 20 and the last time there is the 20th term. We were not told. Instead, we were asked to find that particular term. That is the reason why the seventh term was given to us. So with this seventh term, we will be able to know the common difference. Now with the common difference, we will just know the whole term value itself. So with this seventh term, in some questions you'll be given another term. So, but once another term is given to you, the figure is given to you, it is that term that will lead you to the particular question, what you actually have to deal with. Now we have T1, that's the first term, T1 is equal to A, which is equal to 5. Now, general term is given as Tn equals to A plus n minus 1D. Now, my seventh term is equals to A plus 6D. You can say this one later, but just know that we use seven time to work and get the common difference before getting the real last term value. Now, T7 equals to A plus 6 is 1 less than 7. We have our D here. Now, getting the difference from T7, we have 29. T7 there is given to us as 29 equals to, first term is 5 plus 6D. Okay, now we now have 29 minus 5 equals to 6D. Now we now have, I'm collecting that and here, 5 crossing the question becomes minus 5. Now 29 minus 5 will give me 24 equals to 6D. Now for me to get the real D, I have to divide both sides by this 6. So dividing both sides by 6 will cancel this 6 will cancel this 6. Now 26 into itself is 1. 6 into 24 will give me 4. So my common difference is 4. Now that I've gotten the common difference, I'll now substitute into the general term to get the real term value. Now getting the number of terms that equals 177. Now we are given the actual value that for the last term, which is 177, but we don't know the particular term. So now to get the particular term, which is the n, we say from general formula we have Tn equals to A plus Nd minus D. Now we have this last term here is equals to 177. That's the term, the whole term itself, not just I would have, if it is n that I have, I would have just said T117, but the whole term itself is 117. So equals to A is 5 plus N, D is equals to 4. D again is equal to 4. Now here I just open bracket. Since I don't know my N, I have to open the bracket. D times N is equal to ND. Minus 1 times D is equal to minus D. Now I now have 177. I have to collect items here. Okay. 5 crossing becomes minus 5. Minus 4 crossing becomes minus 4. So I have my N alone here. N times 4, of course, is 4N. Now, this saying 177 minus 5 plus 4 give me 176 equals to 4N. Now, for me to get the N, I have to divide both sides by 4. And I have this divided by 4 will give me 4. That means N. And the number of terms that will give me 117. 117 is the 44th term. The number of terms is N. The number of terms, or N, is equal to 44 terms. Now the next question here is, if 7x, y, z minus 1 are in AP, find s, y, z. Now solution. Under this we have t1 equals to a, that the first term is a equal to 7. Now here you find out that we are also given fifth term. We are given first term, which is 7. We are given fifth term, which is minus 1. Now in this case we have to use this fifth term to get the common difference. Since under the formula, from the formula of this fifth term, I have my value for a. The d is what is the only thing I have to find, and the fifth term was actually given as minus 1. In other words, I have a plus 4d equals to minus 1. I have 7a is 7 plus 4d equals to minus 1. 4d is equals to minus 1 minus 7. Okay, that's 7 crossing becomes minus 7. Okay, of course, the reason why I have this minus 1 is because the fifth term is actually minus 1. Okay, all right, now I have 4d equals to collecting latter terms, 7 crossing becomes minus 7. 4d equals to minus 7 minus 1 minus 7 is equal to minus 8. D is equals to minus, I have to divide both sides by 4. If you divide both sides by 4, d will be left alone. This one divided by 4 give me minus 2. That means the common difference is minus 2. Now, in that case, find out that for you to get the s is second term. Second term is a plus d, which is d here is minus 2. So 7 minus 2 will give me 5. Now, y is equals to third term. That's 1, 2, 3, third term. So third term is a plus 2d, which I have a is equal to 7 plus 2 bracket minus 2. D is minus 2. 2 times minus 2 is equal to minus 4. So 7 minus 4 is 3. Now z is equal to 4 term, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 4 term is equal to a plus 3d. Now I have 3 bracket minus 2 equals 3 times minus 2 equal to minus 6 equal to, then 7 minus 6 equal to 1. In other words, my s is equal to the 5, my y is 3, my z is 1.